Hello everyone, it's a continuity of the lecture series. In today's video, we will be discussing about the microorganisms in dairy, fruits and vegetable based products. So before diving into today's topic, let's have a small recap of the last video. So in last lecture video, we discussed about the pathogens that are present in meat, seafood and poultry products. In today's video, we are going to dive in little detail about the role of microorganism in dairy, fruits and vegetables and the challenges that are present in it. So, did you know the same microorganism that spoils your milk also makes your yogurt healthy? Sounds confusing, right? Let's decode this invisible world today. So, today we are going to explore the triple role of microorganism in dairy, fruits and vegetables. And trust me, they are not just villains. Imagine a microorganism as three characters in a movie. So the first character, let's take it as a hero. Then the villain and the risky opportunities. So in food system, microbes can help us spoil food and also cause disease. Understanding this balance is the heart of food microbiology. So before diving into it, let's start with dairy based product. So over here, let's start with milk. As we all know, milk is highly nutritious, which has proteins, fats as well as lactose. They are highly nutritious and this acts as a luxury buffet for the microbes. So as there are so many advantages, there is also a twist over here. So we intentionally add lactic acid bacteria like lactobacillus and streptococcus, which converts the lactose into lactic acid. As a result, what happens? The milk becomes yogurt, cheese, probiotic drinks. Even molds like penicillium help create blue cheese. So here the microbes are our production partners. But if refrigeration fails, psychrotrophs like Pseudomonas grow and might result in off-flavor production. And pathogens like Salmonella or E. coli can pose serious health-related risk. That's why pasteurization and hygiene is non-negotiable in this case. Then, over here we have the pH as a critical factor for the fruits and vegetables. So let's move to challenges in the vegetables. As we all know, vegetables have a pH between 4.8 and 6.5. They are less acidic in nature. This means bacteria loves them. One major problem, as we can see in the picture, soft rot. So why this happens is the bacteria like Erwinia produce pectinase enzyme that break the plant cell walls. As a result of breakage of plant cell walls, it results in foul smell and mushy texture. Contaminated irrigation water can introduce pathogens like Salmonella and Listeria, but again, the microorganisms can be the heroes. Through fermentation, bacteria like lactobacillus convert sugars into lactic acid. Fresh cabbage becomes sauerkraut. Raw vegetables becomes kimchi, as you can see in the picture. They are safer, tastier, with longer shelf life. That's control microbiology at work. Over here, we have the acetic acid preservation. So basically, acetic acid are conversion of alcohol into acetic acid. What happens is the acetobacter converts this process. This acidic environment stops the microbial spoilage, extending the shelf life and also enhancing the flavor. This is another example of microbes working for us. So today's key takeaway, microorganisms are not just enemies. They are essential production partners, natural spoilage agents, and potential health threats. Food microbiology is about control and not elimination. When we control microbes, we create safe, nutritious, and high quality food. When we ignore them, they control the food, and that makes the difference. Because in food microbiology, the smallest organism creates the biggest impact. So, with this, we have concluded today's topic. We'll see an interesting topic in the upcoming series. Thank you.